Data is what drives industry today. It's the key to staying competitive, whether it's here, there, or way over there. Having the right data at the right time means the difference between smooth operations and operational difficulties. That's where EcoStruxure service plans come in. Combining our EcoStruxure platform, data and analytics, and deep domain expertise, EcoStruxure service plans help you turn your traditional maintenance practices into a condition-based maintenance approach. With every EcoStruxure service plan, we monitor your electrical assets and your power system to detect or anticipate potential issues. And we definitely don't want any issues occurring here. We can also help you ensure data from your power monitoring system is used to improve energy performance and cut CO2 emissions, making your operations more sustainable. No matter your plan, you get the assurance that your installation is looked after remotely 24/7 and that on-site assistance is never far away. And by letting us take care of things like this, you can focus on this. Just tell us what you need, and you'll get the right EcoStruxure service plan.